Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add coins to your watch list in the CoinMarketCap application. Keeping track of your favorite cryptocurrencies can save time and help you monitor price changes quickly. So in order to do that on CoinMarketCap, launch open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and log in. Go ahead and look for the Watchlist tab from the top and select it. Under Watchlist, click on the plus button at the top right and then select the coin you'd like to add in your watch list. Once you select the coin, click on Selected Coin button at the bottom to add them to your watch list on CoinMarketCap. In the Watchlist tab, you will see the latest price, market cap, and percentage changes for all of your favorite coins. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.